This video is related to how you can show recently watched products. Like here it is showing you may also like, but these are the recommended products, like which either share tags or title names. But if you want to show recently viewed products, because that can also boost the sales, like customer have to not search back the product again and again, which customer has already visited. So we are adding a new section which will show the recently viewed products. So for that you have to only do these small changes. I will show you how. First, go on the themes which you want to do. Just go for three dots and edit code. So in the code you have to go to section and add new section, as I have already created. So this is my new created section. So in this all the code, and the code link I will provide you in the description. You just have to control A and control C, and you just have to control V, only paste in this section, and after that you have to save it. Then your new section will be ready. So how you can add this? So make clear, this is that theme in which you have done the changes in the code. So just this is the default product, and we are going to add this section. You can also search the same name, because the same name I have given to it. You can also check recently viewed. So you just have to add this, and after that you have to save it. So this is the code in which, in this you can also do your custom changes which you want to do, either in your design change. If you want to do, you can do it easily. So let me open any product. So it will start from the here, like there is no product still. This is the recent product after doing changes in the code. This is the recent product which I have opened. Now there is no recently viewed. You can also align it. We just have to align it to upside. We have to like we have to show it above the related. Okay, so I'm going to show it here. Let me save. After that I'm going to open any another product, like this is my recent product. Now I'm going to open this product. So now you will see your recent product, your previous product will be shown here. If I'm going to go for it, then you will again see the both products are added in this, and these are also responsive. Their style is okay, and if you want to do any customization in the style or code, you can easily do it. So this is all about. Thank you.